All right, so we have the empty container here. I put the base on the bottom, and I have a couple I've already done. So I'm looking at them to see how I'm gonna go about this. They're all a little bit different, okay? So I have this loofah, right? And we're gonna put that right there in the front. That gives us a nice little base there, right? And then I'm going to take this body wash and put it right here like that. Okay, and then we have some gingerbread hand cream, and we're gonna put that right here. You see how easy this gift is coming together? See how easy it's coming together? And then we're gonna take the hand sanitizer, and we're gonna put that right here in the front, just like that. And then I found these masks, okay? So we're going to take this mask and place it right here, like that, just like that. And now we're gonna glue dot. Let's see here. Let me turn it around. All right, and then we have some filler, okay, some snow fluff. And we are going to take some snow fluff and stick it in the little spots instead of using shred, okay? And that looks cute too, because it looks like snow coming out. Yeah. And you only have to use a little bit. Yes. So, this is how this looks, okay? You like it? Okay, look. This is another version. Okay. I would prefer to shrink wrap. This is the cello bags. I definitely would prefer shrink wrap, okay? But that's how the red looks. And this is a blue. Yes. Again, I would prefer the shrink wrap, but it looks cute though. And this one has, instead of the hand sanitizer, it has a little cream in the front. Hand cream, face cream here. Yes. I can't wait to hear what you think. Okay? Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch my other videos. And until next time, bye.